What we hope to do with our workshops is not only to teach people, but to also give them the confidence and really equip them to have a successful project. We offer technique workshops where people learn certain particular paint techniques, how to layer the paints, how to add gold leaf to things. But then we also offer what we call project workshops, where people will complete a little project during the class time. Towards the end of a workshop, when people are learning kind of the finishing touches, that's when we have a lot of aha moments like, oh, I didn't know that was how we did it. You know, the right way to take a piece of sandpaper gently on the edges of a piece of furniture, or the right way to apply wax. And, you know, anybody can slap some paint on something, but we really want to teach them the little subtleties that come at the end, because that's what really sets their finishes apart.